Parking and driving on the Las Vegas Strip can be time-consuming and costly. Watch Vegas Unlock for tips on saving money. Treasure Island is on the center strip. It is a prime place to park because you're within walking distance to so many attractions. They advertise free self-parking to all hotel and casino guests, and that's a win-win. And a little treasure at Treasure Island is valet is also free with gratuity. Enter the self-parking garage by turning off Spring Mountain Road onto Mel Torme Way. The garage is connected to the hotel by a pedestrian bridge. There's also another bridge that connects Treasure Island to the Fashion Show Mall, where you can also find free parking. Consider parking at Treasure Island, then walking across the bridge to the Wynn or the Palazzo instead of paying $20 for their self-parking. A little north of the Strip, you'll always find complimentary self-parking for guests and visitors at Circus. You can also valet park for less than half the cost than the more popular resort hotels. From here, this is an easy walk to the Fontainebleau instead of paying $20 for their self-parking. The parking garage is located off Circus Drive. Farther north, another complimentary self-parking option is at the Sahara. Valet and self-parking are always free, and that's another win. You can enter the garages either off Las Vegas Boulevard or Paradise Road. Farthest north is the Strat Hotel, adjacent to Atomic Dock. Unfortunately, self-parking is $20 per guest. However, locals with a valid Nevada ID have free in and out privileges. Instead of parking along the Strip, jump on either a tram or a monorail to get around. The Mandalay Bay Tram is free. It connects the Excalibur, Luxor, and Mandalay Bay hotels. It runs 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. To go farther north, catch the Arya Express tram, also free 7 days a week. It connects the Bellagio, Vdara, Park MGM, the shops at Crystal's, and Arya. It runs 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. The Las Vegas monorail runs 3.9 miles along the Las Vegas Strip. The trains arrive every 4 to 8 minutes. It starts at the Sahara Las Vegas station and ends at the MGM Grand station. Buy tickets for one ride or up to 7 days. You can also scan at one of the monorail stations for discounted tickets. The monorail runs from 7 a.m. and goes as late as 3 a.m. on the weekend. If you want to go all the way north to downtown, take the Deuce. It runs from Fremont Street past the Strip to the Las Vegas South Premium Outlets on Warm Springs and Las Vegas Boulevard. The Deuce runs 24 hours a day. You can purchase a 2-hour pass that costs $6 or an all-day pass that costs $8. Please subscribe and comment about your experience navigating